In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to create a basic video intro for your vlog. This video is for those who want to learn, especially beginners. No editing skills, no problem. This Canva trick will change your intro game. First, click on Custom Size and set it to 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. Then, on the left side, click Uploads and choose the video you want to use as your vlog intro. After that, resize it to fit the entire editing page. Next, click Elements on the left side and search for letters frame. Scroll down and click See All so you'll have more options for text or letter frames. In this video, I will use the word city as my example letter frame to match the theme of the background video I uploaded. Then, align your letter frames properly. For the next step, simply drag the video again and place it inside each letter frame, just like what I'm doing. Once you've placed all the videos inside the letter frames, double-click each video and resize it to match the size of your background video. Just follow what I'm doing so it's easier for you to keep up. Do this for all letter frames so that when the video plays, everything matches perfectly. Choose bold and thick fonts so the video inside the text becomes more visible and clear. Use short words or phrases so the viewer can easily recognize the video inside the text. Choose a video that relates to the text for a more meaningful and professional look. Make sure the edges of your text mask are smooth and not pixelated. Try to match the movement of the background and the video inside the text for a smoother look. Keep it simple. Too many effects can ruin the clean look of your intro. Once everything is set, go back to Elements and search for Shape. Choose the square shape and resize it to cover the entire background video. Then, at the top, click Transparency and lower it so your text becomes visible. Next, click Position, go to Layers, and drag the square shape above your background video. Here, you can change the background color white, black, or any color you prefer as long as your text is visible. Make sure the area behind your text is slightly darker or softer to keep it readable. Light backgrounds give a clean and minimal style, perfect for modern intro designs. If your text contains video, dark backgrounds usually make the effect more visible. Don't use similar colors for both text and background, or your design will look flat. Make sure your background is not too bright or too dark. Keep it balanced for better visuals. Just adjust the transparency until it looks right. Lower the background video's opacity so the text with the video inside becomes the main focus. Now let's try to play the video. Nice intro. With just these simple steps, you already have a clean and beautiful video intro to use. Next, we'll try another video background with a lighter effect. In our first sample, we used a dark theme with city lights at night. For this second example, we'll try a different location with a lighter effect. We'll also change the font style of our text. If you want to get free and copyright-free videos, just go to Pexels. Always check if the video is labeled free to use. At the top, you can search for any video or photo you want. Once you've chosen, just click Free Download, then upload it to Canva. Whatever steps we did in the first example are the same for this second example. The only difference is that we are using a different theme and background effect. In this part, I will also give you some tips and tricks for creating this kind of intro video effect. Make your intro short, around 3 to 5 seconds, so viewers stay engaged and don't skip your video. Add smooth animations like zoom, fade, or slide effects to make your intro feel dynamic and professional. Choose background music that matches your content's energy to instantly set the mood. Use bold and readable fonts, especially when placing video inside text, so your message still stands out. Keep your layout clean. Don't overcrowd your intro with too many elements. Always use high-resolution video backgrounds to make your intro look sharp and professional. Time your text and video transitions with the beat of the music for a more satisfying effect. Use a consistent color, font, or animation style so your audience recognizes your brand instantly. Pick a video with clear movement or highlights so it looks more interesting when placed inside the text. Make sure your background video contrasts well with the text mask so the text shape is still visible. Reposition and scale the video inside the text to highlight the most important part of the clip. Apply a thin outline or shadow around the text to make it stand out from the background. Slow down your video clip slightly so viewers can clearly see the motion inside the text. Now let's play it. To go to the video editing page, just click the three dots, then click Edit as Video, and then play it. Nice, now you have a cool video intro. It looks great, right? Very simple to create and no hassle at all. If this video tutorial helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want more Canva tutorials like this, click my next video.